Good day, everyone. Welcome to Maths with Gastin. I am Gastin M. Mapala, and I'll be taking you through trigonometry grade 12 identities. Let's have a look at example there. 2 cos x cos 2x plus sine squared 2x all over cos x should be equals to 2 cos x, right? So we're going to prove this identity starting from the left hand side. Please note that if you didn't watch our video lesson, it's only less than 3 minutes. Please have a look at it before you can watch this example so that you understand where we are going and what are we trying to do here. All right, so for now we're just going to focus on this example, and please make sure that you subscribe to this channel to get notified every time we do more lessons and more examples for you to understand. And let's go ahead and get those distinctions right. Okay, we're going to start by proving this identity. We're going to prove that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and then we're going to change this identity right here. I'm going to put a star here, and we're going to change this one here. All right, okay, let's go ahead. Is equals to 2 cos x, and then this one we're going to change to give us cos squared x minus sine squared x, close bracket. Okay, and then the sine squared 2x we are going to change to, let's say here there's a plus, that one we are going to change to brackets, we're going to change to 2 sine x cos x. Okay, and then all of it should be squared because there's a square here, therefore we should square it here. Okay, then everything should be over cos s. Okay, not everything other, but this part that we're busy with now should be all over cos x. Okay, right, here we go, is equals to, what we can do now, we can remove the bracket on everything that is here. We're going to multiply, do binomial here. We're going to say 2 cos x multiplied by cos x squared, and then 2 cos x multiplied by negative sine squared. All right, great. Okay, let's multiply with 2, will remain as 2 cos x times cos squared x is going to give you cos cube x, and therefore minus, here we have got sine squared x multiplied by 2 cos x. Okay, great then. All right, okay, now here if you were to simplify this, the only thing that you need to know here, this is as good as being saying, let's say for an example, you've got 2x plus 1. I'm just giving an example here, guys, squared. This is as good as when you expand it, it will be 2x plus 1 and then 2x plus 1. Then you need to remove the bracket. So here I'm gonna simplify it already. This squared is as good as 2 squared will give us 4. Okay, sine times sine is going to give us sine squared x, and therefore cos times cos is going to give us cos squared x, and therefore over cos x. Okay, great. Okay, if you don't understand so far what we're busy with, please leave a comment section below, or reach me on WhatsApp so that I can do one-on-one. I'll be able to assist you. And then please make sure that you subscribe, or drop me an email so that I can be able to assist you with mathematics one-on-one. Okay, all right, so now what we have here, okay, let's just write it in simple terms. Here is cos the power of 3x. These two can multiply there, minus this is gonna give us a 2 sine squared x, and then cos x will stay as cos x here, and then here this cos at the bottom would cancel with 1 cos, that is that side, therefore we're going to be left with the plus 4 sine squared x times cos x. Okay, Great. I hope you guys can follow. I'm trying to be as slow as possible. Right? Right now, what we have here, the only thing that we have here, we have got this part here. We have got minus 2 sine squared x cos x, and then this, it's a like term with this one. They look exactly the same. Sine squared here. You've got cos x there. Okay, so these are like terms. So this is minus 2, and then this is plus 4. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say cos to the power of 3x. Then this one, minus sine squared cos x plus 4 sine squared cos x. So I'm going to be left with only 2 sine squared x cos x, because they are like terms. Okay, all right. If you don't understand, let me simplify it here for you. Let's say, for an example, this part here, this term here, this sine squared x. Okay, let me just put it here for you. Sine squared x multiplied by cos squared x, let it be equal to y. Okay, so what you have here, you're going to have minus 2y plus 4y in terms of the equation there, plus 4y. Please guys, because it's trigonometry, you see sine and cos, don't let them confuse you. You still have to apply the basic algebraic expression of how to deal with this. So if you say minus 2y plus 4y, this should be giving you 2y, which is what we have here, plus 2 sine squared x cos x. Okay, so now let's have a look here. What do we have here? We've got 2 cos to the power of 3x, and then here we also have got a cos as well. So we've got a cos here, we've got a cos there. Therefore, to simplify this, we will take out a common factor of cos x. Okay, therefore I'll take a common factor of cos x here. I'm going to be left with 2. Oh, sorry, rather let me take out a common factor of 2. Yes, let me take out a common factor of 2 cos x. All right, so 2, because they've got a 2 there, we've also got a 2 here, we've got a 2 here, and also we've got a 2 here. So we're going to take 2 as a common factor out. All right, so now here you're going to be left with cos squared x plus 2 is gone, cos is gone, so we're going to be left with sine squared x. Okay, so with identities, we know that cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, this will be equals to 1. Therefore, our answer will just be cos 2 cos x, which is equal to the right hand side. Okay, which is equal to the right hand side. Thanks guys, thank you very much for tuning in. We're busy with identities. If you still don't understand it, please make sure that you leave a comment, and then I'll try to respond to your comment as soon as I can. But please stay tuned to this channel, as we're going to post more examples when it comes to identities for grade 12. Stay tuned. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload.